Hello everybody, my name is René Venegas. I work here in the local artisan collective. I am going to teach you how to make the replica, the Etruscan coin. It's 4,000 years ago. And let me show you the technique is called sand casting. The first thing is to put air. This is the casting, sand casting. And I need to fill up all mold. This is the bronze mold. And use the metal hammer for decompact the earth. And I move the extra earth. Okay, this is the female and this is the male. And now I put the male here and I fill up with earth again. This technique, the sand casting, is very old. It's ancient, the ancient times. Now I put the coin, the original coin, and I put here. And I pressure just a little. I use talc, just a little talc for insulate the coin. And now I am going to put the mold, and I pressure just a little with the hammer. I open and you can see the design here and also here. And now I am going to move the coin so we have the space, and with this piece I made the channel because you need to put the silver or melting bronze, silver or gold, whenever you want. Any metal work. And now I put this one here and use the clamp. So let me show you how melting and make the coin. Follow me. I am going to make the coin with brass. I use my torch. I start melting. The coin melting for brass is 1,800 Fahrenheit. We have part the coin, sometimes working, sometimes not, but this is the coin. I teach every Wednesday here in the local artisan collective. The address is 2371 Easel Avenue here in Ogden. Every Wednesday 10 to 12. It's $40, 3 hours. And if you have your own design, I can teach you how to make bracelets, pendants, rings, earrings, whenever you want. Bring your stone, cabochon stone, and I can show you step by step or teach you step by step how to make your own projects. Thank you.